1. Woman, hello. 6, 3, 4, 9, 5. Who's calling please? 2. Charlie, yes, hello, it's Charlie here. I wanted to know how you are. 3. Woman, me? Oh, I'm doing fine, thank you, and you? 4. Charlie, well, to be honest, I've had a few problems recently. 5. Woman, sorry to hear that. What kind of problems? 6. Charlie, well, it all started when my wife walked out on me. 7. Woman, sorry to hear that. That must have been a blow. 8. Charlie, of course that was some time ago and I've got used to it now. 9. Woman, by the way, I don't know anybody called Charlie. 10. Charlie, sorry about that, I must have dialed the wrong number. Have a nice day.